In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text in Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your account, right? So if you don't have an account, I'm going to be dropping the link in this video description. So please be very guided as regards to the links you click, right? So check the link in this video description. So you need to click on this create a design, right? Once I've clicked on it, you're going to click on this docs, right? Then you click on this docs, wait for it to open. So I'm going to show you how you can create text here in Canva. So once this has opened right here, you can come on here and write what I want to write, right? I can come on here and type happy new year, right? So this is basically how you can create text in Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.